Alright, this is Moto. Moto's gonna be the world's first snowboarding sugar glider. Hey, come here. Go in your pouch. It's going in his pouch. And zip it up so you don't get hurt.
Yeah.
Alright. Ready?
This is not radio edited.